One day later.
Can you smell something? Beautiful. Yeah, maize. Sure ain't for us. Oh, sniffs. What's down there? Hey, what's that? Good boy. Good boy. Carrying on walking through the forest. This should bring us out just down the lane from where the house is. One of our house sitting friends who doesn't live too far away from us with two golden retrievers. She knows who she is. Was wondering what it's like to walk dogs around here. So if you're listening into this one, Kirsty, it's all forest walks and hills, and it's beautiful, and we look forward to coming on walks with the two dogs. Right. This should bring us out down just by our property actually. Okay, yeah, I think I know where we are now. So just to give you some perspective as well, when we first started looking for properties in Portugal, and we came to the conclusion that we wanted to live in Alvadas. There was a property for sale, and that's this property just here. And are we getting twisted? We looked at this property here, and we brought the architect over, and it was in fairly bad repair. And where this small tiny house next door here is being built, that was the goat pens, I think they were, weren't
Goat pen, chicken coop. I'm not quite sure what it was.
Yeah, there were a little tiny animal barn that was there, and they've built a house where that was, and the main house still remains derelict, or pretty derelict. Don't know if anyone's living in it now, but the roof looks like it's caved in at the back. Yeah, so this was the original plot that we looked at, and it would have been lovely. It's right next to the same hills that we are, and you walk straight into the forest there, and there's so we just make the roof out of our house in the distance there. So you can see how far. How close we came. And it was the architect said there's some land just up the road here for sale. So we went to have a look at it, and because it didn't have a main structure on it, we could put planning in for a house on that land. Here we are just at the end of the lane. So still a lot of work to do. Obviously the cladding still needs to be complete on the outside, and the roof needs finishing. And this is where this area here is supposed to be a carport. So there's quite a lot of land that needs removing there to build a carport. But progress is being made. Let's go check out what it's like inside. Oh, listen to that. This is the other reason why we moved here. There's nothing, is there?
What's that say?
Just the wind and the dicky tweets.
Yes.
Just to see how the progress is going on in the house, and they're starting to run the electrical conduits into the house now, which is all good. It's all coming through the baseboard, which is interesting. Yeah. Oh crikey, yeah. There's a lot of running of conduits. Wow. Looks like Snake's wedding at the moment, but it's all good news. It's good progress. I think the electrician has gone for a bite to eat, as the windows are still open and the electrics are still running to the house, so I think he's just gone to get a bite to eat. He'll be coming back. Yeah. Cool. I think he's just gone for a bite to eat. Yeah, I think so. So all the windows are still open. Yeah, I'll just lock up. These are two well walked dogs. They've had a really good walk.
Yeah, well, because you can't relax.
No.
It's a bit edgy.
And just at the edge of the property, I don't know if you see that. Just at the end of the property there is a pear tree that is absolutely juicy and delicious.
But crunchy, and it's sweet, and they're beautiful. They're
Beautiful.
lovely pears.
Very tasty.
Yeah.
You just walk by, pick one off the tree. Lovely. So also while we're here, Annette started to go to physio. For how long?
I've got 15 sessions, so an hour a day. But because of the sits, I can only do Monday to Friday for 2 weeks, so that's 10 sessions. And then when we come back from sequence of next house sitting, which is, I think it takes us to the middle of November, then I've got to contact them and they'll book me in for the other 5 sessions. And then they will determine whether I need any further physiotherapy on my wrist.
It's going well. It was easy to set up.
What, to arrange the appointments? Yeah, very easy. Once I got the confidence to go in there and was like, my hand was forced, pun, because I had that fall a couple of weeks ago and I hurt my wrist again. I think I sprained it. And it's been really, really painful. So that's when it kind of forced my hand to go into the clinic and book the appointments, because I've had the prescription for them for, crikey, since March, April.
Since you came out of hospital and we came up here.
Well, since I had my cast off. Yeah, but we've always been like here, there, you know.
And everywhere.
And everywhere, yeah. But, say we're here for a couple of weeks, so, and plus the fall, it kind of forced my hand, and I booked the appointments.
Yeah. Oh, you've been bitten. Me too.
Come on, Marcus. He's so nervous.
All right, pair. Well, they've walked a long way today. Yeah.
Oh, do you want some treat?
Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat?
I bet they're starving. It's their dinner time. Oh, yes, I think he wants something. No, down. Get down. Marcus,
Sit.
down.
Come on, sit down.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Down. Down.
He's
Good
hungry.
boy. Good boy. Right, one more. Good boy. Good boy.